On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram not working after updating. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find Instagram and then click on it. Click on force stop and then go to the storage, click on clear data and click on clear cache. Go back again and now click on the open by default option. Click on open supported links in this app and choose ask every time. Now the last thing you want to do is restart your phone and the problem must be solved. If it's not solved yet, then you may have to remove Instagram from your phone and re-download it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.